Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In today's video, we are diving into an essential topic for anyone looking to optimize their PC performance, how to find CPU cores and threads that is known as logical processors in Windows 11. Whether you are a gamer, a content creator, or simply a tech enthusiast, understanding the core and thread count of your CPU is crucial for making informed decisions about your system's capabilities. Stick around as we guide you through the simple steps to uncover this vital information right from your Windows 11 machine. Let's get started. There are several methods to determine CPU cores and threads in Windows 11, and I will guide you one by one. So let me start without any delay. First one is through system information. For that, click on this one start button and type here system information. In the search results, click on this one top entry system information. Under system information, all you need to select this one system summary in the left sidebar. On the right, you will see processor option. Here you can find cores as well as logical processors that is known as threads. Next one method is through task manager. For that, right click on the free space on the taskbar and select here task manager option. In the Task Manager window, select this one Performance in the left sidebar. On the right, select CPU, and at the bottom, you will find Cores and Logical Processors here. Next one method is through Windows PowerShell. For that, click on this one Start button, type PowerShell. In the search results, right click on this one Windows PowerShell entry, select Run as Administrator. In case Windows prompts, click on the Yes button. In the PowerShell window, you need to type WMIC CPU get number of cores and then press enter to find out the cores number of cores on your Windows 11 PC, and to find out number of processors you need to issue the command WMIC CPU get number of logical processors and then press enter on the keyboard. I will put these all commands in this one video description. So in case you need it, you can copy it from there. Next one method is through command prompt. For that, click on this one start button, type here CMD and right click on this one command prompt entry, select here run as administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click on the yes button. In the command prompt window, you need to type same command WMIC CPU get number of cores to get the number of cores. After entering this one command, press enter on the keyboard to display the number of cores, and you need to issue the command WMIC CPU get number of logical processors to find out the logical processors or threads on your Windows 11 PC. Apart from that, you can also use a third-party software that is known as CPU-Z. I will provide this one link, CPU-ID website link. From here, you can download the setup file of CPU-Z and install it on your PC. After that, open it and switch to this one CPU tab. Here you can find the cores and threads on your Windows 11 PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if this video is helpful to you, press thumbs up. Bye bye.